Hi, Lisa Lavender. Happy Halloween, Chief Operating Officer of the Restoration Technical Institute. And I'm here with Chuck Boutall, Director of Education.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween. I am Princess Vapor Pressure, and Chuck is
Captain Dewpoint.
That's right. And don't be scared this Halloween of psychrometry and the science of drying. Come to RTI for an upcoming class. It's not a trick. It will certainly be a treat. Why is it so important to understand vapor pressure?
Well, the most important thing about vapor pressure is water's going to move from high vapor pressure to low. So if you don't know which way is high or low, you don't know whether you're going to dry or not. You need to make sure that the material's vapor pressure is higher than the air, which means outside dry air ventilation or dehumidification of that air.
Captain Dewpoint, why do we need to understand that?
Oh, Dewpoint's very scary sometimes to people, but quite actually it's simple. Look at my costume. If I am Dewpoint, Captain Dewpoint, if I'm a material, if I'm below the dew point temperature that's surrounding me, I'm going to be underwater and need my mask to survive. However, if you heat me up and I'm above the dew point of the air surrounding me, I will then release my moisture off into the air that surrounds me and I will dry. Remember vapor pressure and dew point, or we will haunt you in every water damage job.
Scary. Happy Halloween. Hope to see everybody soon.